As a dual citizen, what is the best way to work as an independent consultant? Do I set up an LLC in the US and bill clients via that entity, or create a French societe like SASU or auto entrepreneur? We discussed that from the French point of view. He or she has asked what are the tax implications from a US perspective as well. So both sides, we've discussed the French side. As mentioned, from the US side, you need to report the existence. If it's an incorporated entity, it will be on the 5471. If it is an auto entrepreneur, it'll just be on your Schedule C. They're asking about CFC and GILTY. So for those who are not familiar with it, CFC are Controlled Foreign Corp rules. So if you have an entity outside of the US and it's more than 50% owned and or controlled by US exposed persons, it's considered a Controlled Foreign Corp, and there's certain CFC rules that kick in. And one of them is the GILTY rule, which is the Global Intangible Low Tax Income Tax. Now, the GILTY, as of last year, there's a high tax exemption. So GILTY and CFC rules basically work to prevent you from deferring paying taxes. So even though you don't take all the profits from the company out in terms of a bonus or in terms of, some sort of distribution to yourself, you are, from a US point of view, you're deemed to have done so. So in other words, you're paying tax on phantom earnings. So that creates some sort of cash flow issues because you need to pay tax on that company's earnings, even though you didn't constructively receive them. Now, the GILTY rule in particular, as the name suggests, it's for low tax. So if it is you have the French corporate structure, which Herve mentioned is taxed at 15%, 1.5, then yes, GILTY may kick in. But if you have one of the other structures, which is taxed at above the threshold is around 19%, then no, you do not need to worry about GILTY. So just to cut to the chase, if it is that you don't understand the nuances of it, it's worth having a conversation with someone who understands both to make sure that you pick something that works for you.
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Our books and upcoming event are available at htj.tax. Email us at help@htj.tax to engage us, to advise on international tax or business matters.